Shall I start, sir? Good morning, Bernard here. I am witnessing a student of B Pharmacy second year. Today I am presenting a most important topic of today's world, that is climate change and global warming. In today's world, climate change and global warming is a very essential challenge which is faced by our planet. Factors like glacier melting and other factors like increasing temperature are signs that our environment is changing rapidly. So first is climate changing. It refers to the long-term changes of Earth's temperature and weather pattern. While climate has changed naturally over millions of years, the current rapid warming is largely caused by human activities. Causes of climate change are of two types. One is natural and another one is human causes. In natural causes, there are causes like volcanic eruptions, ocean currents, Earth's orbital changes. Whereas in human causes, there are causes like greenhouse effect, deforestation, and burning of fossil fuels. So volcanic eruptions are release ashes and sulfur dioxide gas in the atmosphere. The particle reflects sunlight back into space, which usually cause temporary cooling, which lasts up to 1 to 3 years. Ocean currents move warm and cold water bodies of water around. Water has a specific heat capacity 1000 times than of air, and as a result, it can chill and heat the air over them, as well as are the sources of vapor that become clouds and precipitates. Earth's orbital changes. Earth's orbit around the sun is not perfectly constant. It changes slowly. Over thousands of years, these changes affect climate and seasons. They are called Milovic cycles. Greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is the natural process that keep the earth warm enough for life. It happens when certain gases in the atmosphere trap heat from the sun. Deforestation means the large scale cutting and removal of forests, where trees are cleared and the land is used for the other purposes. Burning of fossil fuel use fuel like coal, petrol, diesel and natural gases for the production of energy by burning. These fuels are called fossil fuels because they are formed when dead plants and animals are buried long years ago. Global warming is the gradually increase in the Earth's average temperature due to the increase of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Causes of global warming are burning of gasoline for transportation, animal and agriculture burning, deforestation, fuel burning for power plants. Disadvantages of global warming: melting of glacier and ice caps, which also increase sea levels, extreme weather events, loss of biodiversity, agriculture problems, health problems like cancers. At last, my conclusion is climate changing and global warming are real and urgent global problems affecting the environment, wildlife and human life. If strong actions are not taken, then our future generations will feel environmental crisis. Thank you.
आप लोग देखो, आप चार्जर इसका कहाँ
है मेरे पास।
लेके आओ, चार्ज नहीं है, लेके आओ। किधर से
माता भूमि माता भूमि पुत्र हम पृथ्वी. It means earth is our mother and I am her child. This beautiful line from the third way depicts that the earth is not just a land or soil. It is the mother. Just like how we care about our mother, we should protect the environment. Good afternoon. This is Asika Shelly, from B Pharmacy, SG College, second semester. When I was a child, my grandmother used to say, "नाती तोती गई बला, धरती माता टिकाला." Today, environment science scientifically proves this idea. Environment science is the interaction between humans and nature, or we can say it is the academic study. It is an academic field that integrates mathematical, biological, physical sciences to study the environment and solve its problems. It is important as it helps us analyze the factors affecting the resources. It helps us give new and unique and effective ideas to protect the biodiversity degradation. It also helps us create awareness among the people like you and me, which just think about to conserve the environment but leave the next second. Next. The next is the uses of environment for humanity. This topic has starting point but no ending point. There are so many uses of the environment that they can't be counted on our fingers. But still, I would like to state a few. Food, source of natural resources. Food production, energy resources, biodiversity and ecological balance. The humans use these resources for their own benefit without giving any credit to the environment. Due to over-exploitation of these resources, the planet Earth is giving us some warnings that we are not even noticing. These are global temperature rise. From the late 19th century, the Earth's temperature has risen for about 1.1 degrees Celsius. The water scarcity. Last year it was reported that the capital of South Africa, Cape Town, has experienced severe water scarcity. And this is not only about them. In India also, there are so many places which are not mentioned, which are suffering from the water scarcity. More, disappearing wildlife. Nobody cares about them because they are not talking. But this is a major problem. It affects the environment chain, the food chain and ecological balance. In this phase, there are some people, or we can say the environmentalists. Environmentalist is not a degree. It is a word that we give to honor them. These people are the volunteers of earth protection. These people do the work that is beyond our control. Like people like you and me, just listen to others, think about the idea that I will do this.